This is the hip hop deal.
When the band start to go, I flow like Satchmo, I blow fast and slow and so on to make you throw on tracks of the abstract blacks that got the fat sacks and stuff for packs to puff. Slap 5 or slap 10 is the fat men, subtracting whacking, crowd's reaction is just clapping. Versatile, a Mad Wallace, the ill kid who dug the jazz making you buck, and I still dig scores of chords, giving pleasure with the 4/4. Metro when on tour, I can rock till I'm hoarse or more sore. Bang, dig it, I get wicked, the rhythm in a song, propelling and yelling and hollers of the horn. Check it. Hey yo, when I'm on stage, I perform. If it's on, then it's on. It's about the hollers of the horn to the break of dawn or the early morn. Word is born, it's beyond. If I dig the hollers of the horn, when I'm on stage, I perform.